What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Xman Co. Today we're going to make a beautiful Chakalaka boerewors pie on the Weber. Stay tuned. Right guys, let me introduce you to all our ingredients here. We've got some mozzarella cheese here, some Gouda, we've got some mushrooms, red onion and some thyme. And then most important of all, our Chakalaka sauce. We're going to need some pastry dough. What we're going to do initially is cook our boerewors on the Weber. And then we're going to build our pie in the skillet. Don't go anywhere. For those of you guys that haven't considered subscribing, please do so. If you like our content, on a weekly basis we get together and we cook, we have some fun. Without further ado, let's get straight into this. There we go guys, beautiful boerewors from Cornelia in the Free State here in South Africa. It's not every day that you have the privilege to have such a beautiful boerewors on your braai. You guys can see the tongs I'm using. If you do boerewors or sausage, you want to make sure that you've got tongs that won't cut your boerewors. Some guys like to take sisati sticks and put it through the sausage or the wors. The problem with that is all your juices escape, and that's not what we want. So we rather play, and we should stay in the same form. We're just going to braai it like this. We want to get it to medium well readiness. Guys, always make sure that your pan is properly greased. So there's a few ways you could do this. You could use spray and cook. You can use some butter, which I'm doing at the moment. I want to make sure that it's really greased and that the pastry is not going to easily stick to our skillet. And you could also use some oil. That'll work perfectly. This is our pastry dough. We're gonna roll it out slightly. We don't want to roll it out too thin. You can also make your own pastry dough if you feel so inclined. We're gonna go the easy route today. So as you can see, I'm not going crazy. I'm just making the area of this puff pastry slightly bigger. You can just use a sharp knife, and then it's pretty straightforward. As you can see, just run it on the edge if it's a skillet. Some mushroom guys right at the bottom, a little bit of cheese, some cubes of mozzarella, some rings of onion, got some thyme, then the star of the show. You can see I'm spacing it slightly because I want to put some filling in between. Again, a little bit of cheese there. We're using both cheeses. Leave a comment below, can you ever have too much cheese? Then our Chakalaka. You might not get this in each country, but you could improvise, use whatever filling you want. We just thought this is very South African. This is going to be one beautiful Chakalaka boerewors pie. I thought we're going to be innovative today, so what we're going to do is weave the dough. Right guys, this is what it looks like this stage. So we're just going to cut all along the edge, leave a little bit of space to stick to your bottom as well. Bit of a twisty motion, no right or wrong guys. There you go. You can just pull it back like I'm doing right there. Right, then you can use egg yellow. We're using some milk, that should be sufficient. I've got the coals on this side. I'm going to leave it for about 10 minutes like this, and then I'm going to turn it just so that both sides get equal fire. It's about 20 minutes guys, so as I said before, we're just going to turn this around so it's even. There we go, fantastic. Right guys, it's been 40 minutes. It's time to test this baby. Wow, beautiful. Let's take this guy out. Right guys, anything that's worth it, you know the story needs to rest. We're going to let this boerewors pie rest for the next 10 minutes. And then that moment we've been waiting for, we're going to dig into it. See you in 10. That moment of truth, you could take this pie out if you want to. Doesn't matter, we're just going to cut it straight out the skillet. Guys, time to taste this boy. Let's do that. It's quite warm. I'm sure I might regret this, but this taste should make up for that. It's gonna look like a dragon. Cheers. Wow. It's warm, but it's nice. fantastic. Guys, as always, you should try this. Why not? Guys, if you like what you're doing, you know the story. Like, share, subscribe. Enable those notifications so you guys get notified as soon as we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. We can't do this without you. We appreciate each and every one of you. Till next time. Cheers.